Bringing you another episode of A Danger to Bikers Nobody Talks About, episode 12.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
You know, I don't do these videos to scare you guys away from motorcycles. Actually, I'm doing this video series to help you guys stay safer out here, to recognize these dangers and ways to help overcome and prevent these dangers. But in this video, I want to talk about, motorcycle helmets. Although I will definitely tell you to never ride a motorcycle without a helmet. You should always have it. They're definitely going to help save your life, but they can also set you up for a real fooked up day. Because if you low side off your bike and you hit on the ground wrong, it can actually cause damage to your neck or even break your collarbone. And that's, well, a lot of people don't realize that. That's why I do this video series to tell you guys these are things that you don't really hear about that often. And the way I've told you guys, the way to prevent any issues with your helmet, to help prevent you from it causing any problems should you fall off your bike and your helmet hits wrong, is the neck brace. I did a full review on this neck brace. See here, side to side, this is going to help keep your head snapping in the side, back, forward, and that could save your life. I mean, having a broken neck or some type of neck trauma, man, I'm telling you, that could set you up for real, set you up for the rest of your life for a bunch of fooked up days, man. A lot of you guys scoff at buying this because it's kind of expensive, but I'll tell you, you can't put a price on your safety. You just can't, because you know what, if you end up with a neck injury because you didn't wear a neck brace, imagine how much that hospital bill is going to cost you in the long run. Not just going to the hospital, but in the long run. It can end up costing you a whole lot of money, especially if you don't have health insurance. And even if you have health insurance, you may end up paying some money out. So, like I said, and these are not a big issue. A lot of you guys say, CycleCruza, the day I have to get a neck brace is the day I quit riding. That's unfortunate, because a neck brace is not that big of a deal, man. You see, I'm out here riding with this like nothing. It's not heavy, and it's lightweight. It allows you to turn your head, as you see here. This one's specifically made for the road so that you can look over your shoulder, and it's comfortable to wear. It's very easy to put on. It takes literally like 1 second, 2 seconds to put it on. You just unlatch this lever and pull it out and pull it right off your neck, and when you put it on, just put it on the same way, and then push this up and latch the lever. That's it. Bada boom, bada bang. Not a big deal, man. A lot of you guys make a big deal about wearing extra safety gear. It's just ridiculous, because yeah, it's very rare that riders go down, or well, it depends where you live. In some areas, a lot of people get hurt, in other countries where the traffic is wild and crazy. But here in the United States, if you're a good rider, for the most part, you're not going to probably crash too often. And that's, that's why a lot of people out here think it's okay to ride without a helmet and jacket and everything. They've never been down, so they don't know. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know nothing about leather motorcycle pants back in the day. When I rode that Chinese scooter, I had on some jeans and just old cheap motorcycle jacket, and I did have a helmet on. But I low-sided that Chinese scooter in torrential rain because I had crap tires, doing only about 35 miles per hour. And I'll tell you guys, my legs took a beating. Luckily I didn't have any damage, but I had a huge scrape and bruises and everything. It was beat up pretty bad, man. I couldn't imagine doing like 60, you know, doing high speeds and going down and not having proper motorcycle pants on. I'll tell you guys, because your legs will take a beating, guaranteed. And it, like I said, you go down wrong and your head lands funny, you know, with your helmet on. You know, that could be, like I said, that could set you up for a real fooked up day. So the main point here, the main tip is get you a neck brace. I got a link in the description and comment section of this video. This is one of the very few ones that are actually made for the road. You can also use them for off-road too. If you're going to be dual sporting like I do, man, and you're going to head off, you're going to head to a motocross track or trails or whatnot, you definitely want to get one of these, man, most definitely. Because you strike a tree, that can definitely cause your head to snap. And having this neck brace, like I said, it helps prevent it from snapping over. And like I said, not a big deal wearing it, man. So definitely wear that neck brace, guys. I want you guys to stay safe out here, man. Wear all the gear, like I said, all the gear all the time, baby. That's the way it is. Links to all my gear, camel pants, boots, leather pants, all my stuff. I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website, CycleCruza.com, and click on the menu tab, My Gear, and that's links to all of my stuff.
Hit thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Moto.